Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me tap on it, and all you have to do is simply open the history. And if you are using Google Chrome, you can do it by tapping on this three dots icon and tapping on the history. As you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. If you'd like to remove only one of it, and that's all you want to clear actually, simply tap on this X button right next to the website you'd like to remove, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. But if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, just tap on clear browsing data right here. And as I said, here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And after tapping on advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. If you'd like to be sure that those things will be removed, make sure that they are marked. So simply tap on it, mark it, and you can remove it by tapping on the clear data. What's more, you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed actually everything, beginning with the websites and ending with saved passwords. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.